How I might be charged with kidnapping a serviceman. You're listening to Island Confessions, where real life meets Caribbean comedy. Every story here is true, or at least too real to make it up. So let me tell you how I might very well end up being charged with kidnapping a serviceman. 2 weeks ago, I made the ultimate mistake. I paid in full for a washing machine. I had promised myself never to pay up front until it was safely delivered. But no, this time I even paid the delivery fee. We agreed on Saturday delivery. Saturday came and went, no delivery. The next Saturday, still nothing. After endless calls and unanswered emails, I finally reached a real person. She promised the washing machine would arrive first thing Wednesday morning. Now to me, morning means anytime between 8 and 12. 8 came, nothing. 9, nothing. 10, nothing. By 12, silence. So I told my boss I'll be in late and decided today I will see this washing machine arrive. After holding for half an hour, the lady finally said the driver was on his way, but needed directions. In this day and age of GPS, imagine that. Anyway, around 2:58 p.m., he finally showed up. By then I was cooking, green bananas steaming, saltfish boiling, and the whole kitchen smelling of peppers, onions, cucumbers, tomatoes. Just as I was about to eat, I heard the sound like the toilet flushing. And out walked the delivery man from my bedroom, zipping up his trousers. I froze, shocked, disgusted, speechless. After composing myself, I wrote a note to him. Please enjoy the meal. The boys' football and steel band fees are due. And here are the light, water, phone, and internet bills. Then I locked my doors, padlocked them from the outside, and I left for work. Oh, hold on. My phone ringing. It's the Grand Anse Police Station. Seems like I might actually be charged with kidnapping a serviceman. Now tell me, what would you have done? Comment below. That's today's Island Confession. Like, share, and tag someone still waiting on the delivery from the last month.